Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to change notification sound on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys feel bored with your notification sound that just so, don't need to be worried because Samsung Galaxy A36 is providing a lot of notification sound with a various type that you can choose for whatever you want. And how to change the notification sound is very easy, so yeah, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, the first thing first, now you can go to settings menu on your phone, and then now you can scroll down and go to sound and vibration, and then after that here now you can go to notification sound. And so yeah, now you can choose another notification sound that you like, and the notification sound will change immediately. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.